Well, welcome back to another episode of Just Another Voxel Game. Trees have changed a little bit. I've been playing around, and I also have if you can't tell, I have a little outline on blocks so you can actually see where you're going to place. But I've been working on voxels a lot, and specifically ownership. Before, kind of like one primary block would own this like air block, right? Also had a previews. But here's kind of an example. So let's say I place this little like pot, right? And I want to add this. I've already pre-assembled this, but you can place and break different blocks in the same like error space. So this is one, technically this is one block, but it's made up of two separate blocks, as you can see. And I've also added, this is kind of another example, rotation. Oops, wrong button. Why do I keep doing that? But yeah, it basically, I do a check now. Jeez, my computer's lagging. I do a check now though, and I see, are the voxels like physically touching? If it is, then it's one block. If they're separate, like these, then it'd be two separate blocks. And just place that guy there. Whatever. So like this is one block. These, again, are two blocks. That's kind of what I've been working on. And this is going to be a short devlog because, I mean, that's primarily taken most of my time this week. I'm not there yet, but I'm working on, like, kind of the, lack of a better term, the cross sections. So as you modify stuff, modify blocks into like voxels, there's gonna be cross sections. Think like an ore, like a diamond ore or something. There's gonna be different ores scattered throughout each block. Before I was basically just projecting the top texture down. But I don't quite want that. I want there to be actual variation. So I'm kind of working on that. Not quite there yet. So we'll see about that. Oh, I'm downloading a game in the background. That's why I think I'm lagging so bad. But yeah, that's kind of what's gone on this week. I'm also starting to set like with these voxel changes and stuff, I'm starting to set up just like the going forward what world gen and stuff's going to be like. But this week coming up, I'm going to fix the skybox. I'm so done with the cube map skybox. This has to go. So I'm going to fix this. And I'm also going to work on the trees more. They're really, really ugly right now. But again, I was mainly working on them because of this new voxel system, just to kind of see what I can make them look like. But yeah, this week I'm going to fix up some of the shaders, maybe work on blocks a little bit more, but I think it's time for a change of scenery, change of pace. So I'm going to actually work on skybox and potentially a little bit of world generation. And I'm starting in the background to set up kind of the groundwork for servers. Because I'm going to, kind of like I mentioned, I want to do a server with a few friends. Just see how that works. So that's also coming soon. Although it's probably maybe a month out or something. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's this week's update. Let me know if you have any questions. Or mainly, I'm looking for any ideas. If you have ideas, let me know. I'm keeping a log of ideas now. Maybe I'll make that public eventually. But I'm gonna basically starting like a Trello board, Jira, whatever you want to call it, where I'm just going to write down every idea and kind of just see, as I get there, maybe set priorities and stuff and see what ones I want to focus on to get the game where I want it to be. So we'll see. But yeah, it's just spitballing for now, and we'll see where this game goes. I'm hoping to, continue on this pretty good progress. So I'll see you on the next episode. If you haven't already, you can check out the first 2 episodes. But yeah, check again next week. I'm gonna try to continue on with once a week uploads. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.